Oh,
We have so many freaking rocks.
well, these are special places. Like, I don't need a rock from anywhere else, really. Where else are we going?
So that's where it's
Lake Tahoe. Well, we might need a rock from the lake that no one will let me take. It's a glacier lake.
No, I mean, it's
They got pretty colors like Tetons.
So you're gonna help me out here, 'cause this is, well, we'll fit through.
I'm going to melt you out.
Help me out.
Oh.
We're good, we're good.
Man, those trucks make it through.
Cool. I'm gonna save this. Oh, it's perfect.
It's so cool. Gosh, you're scaring me to freaking death. You really are. Because they come out at the bottom, you know?
Dude, I see the road in front of me.
I
Now look
these
ahead.
little trucks make it. Weird, huh? Speed bump, a natural one.
Yeah.
That's the ultimate speed bump.
I don't know, I'm gonna keep going this one.
You might. Oh, look at the totem
cool.
poles.
No. It's okay right now, it's like totem poles. Man, there's all kinds of off-roading opportunity. I might have to back out again. Funny.
Well, no, you
There's
can
always a way to
three-pointer
turn
here.
around, yeah. I can't go over that. And I can't go over that, so that's the end of
You
it.
can't?
No.
You can go up that.
No, no, no.
With this car.
No. Here, I'll show you.
Oh, well, I believe you.
See
Oh,
that?
never mind, never mind. Well, I didn't know you saw. How did you
Because
see that?
I've done a lot of off-roading for not having an off-road car, and I just know. You just know the slope. You know it's gonna be rough.
I bet it costs a lot too.
Oh shit! Wait,
Right.
the way.
We'll let him by. He's going that way.
Yeah. Which way are you going? I think he's backing all the way out. Well, they could have gone by. I don't know why they did that for us.
He's being nice. How dare he? Wait, look. Oh, okay, let's go. Never mind. Don't bother. Look, wait, stop. Hey, you gotta do that for me. Let me get my phone charging.
You didn't bring like 15 memory cards?
I didn't bring my camera case. I was like, I'm gonna not take everything in the book. And that's what happens when we don't take everything in the book. We gotta go buy it. They'll probably have a place to buy it.
You're not gonna make it, buddy. I don't even think we should go over this. I'm just gonna go back.
Yeah.
We had our fun.
Yeah. It was really fun.
This is all recorded anyways.
Yeah, I got lots of blurry pictures of all the beginning of when we started this trip. I could erase, you know.
Okay, that is super tight. That's okay. I don't remember any specific scenes from any specific things, but I'm sure they exist. I wonder what else there is over there. It all ends up being off-road, though.
We want the arches.
Oh, yeah, there's another road that goes back through, but it's probably too difficult to... Oh, let me try it. Yeah,
Oh, it's weird.
I do the arches, but it's weird.
Nothing.
I think it's weird. That's true. Passat.
Okay. Man, this card didn't hold many pictures. That's what's weird. Like, I've only taken literally like 150
Oh,
pictures.
your file format must be a larger format, or the card is too little. Oh, that's it.
Doesn't usually have this issue.
This looks like a cool road. That one's too tiny to go down. Oh yeah, that's the one I wanted to go down. Yeah, it's still got 5 minutes left on that recording. That's awesome. This is crazy. Look at these boulders. That one's just gonna fall right off.
Oh my goodness. Let's take a picture. It really is. That's gonna roll. And nothing will survive. Let's look at Clam Rock.
Yeah, already you have to stop, but
How are we gonna
it's
get out
pretty
of
cool
here?
to hike around.
Do you know the way out?
Let's go back up. There, Mark. Go back up camera too. Make sure I don't. point right here, but here's the fun of it. It's crazy you just use the camera to. It's kind of scary to use the camera, but it's work.
Oh, it's like an airplane. You have to use the camera.
Right.
It's fun. This is a very cute picture. He's got his butt in the air. Chipmunk.
It's funny, it's not hard to reverse. If you want to go right, you turn the wheel right. You know, it's like not that complicated.
Hey, before you go, it's your fault I have this.
What?
Chipmunk, he's got his butt in the air.
That's cute.
It's very cute.
Okay, that was interesting. Alright, to the arch. Oh, we gotta get going. 1 o'clock, so we've been here for about an hour already. But that's alright, I mean, it's fun. It's not like it's, not like a waste at all. Ugh. I can't. Applicable. This backup camera is a lifesaver. You don't have to worry, like, oh, is there a rock there, or whatever. Like, you
I
can just
love
see.
my backup camera. I could never go back.
Yeah, nice. Get it?
Yep.
You probably meant that. In a way.
Well,
It
oh my
just happened.
goodness, look at this chipmunk. Oh my goodness, these shots through are hysterical. Okay, there he is. With his tail.
Uh-huh. Oh yeah, that's cute.
See, make it bigger.
Yeah.
This is his little,
It's funny.
his little face. He's like, they can't see me. They don't know where I am.
How do you know that Whitney's taller is that Whitney's stuck in the clouds, whereas that peak isn't?
Okay, hang on. Where's Whitney? Far
It's stuck,
behind it.
it's behind this hill here.
Gosh. Oh. You may need Dramamine.
You need what? Really?
Dramamine. I
You're
never
sick.
do. Well, you're
I just want to
not
get out of
normally.
here.
Not normally. This is like flying the chipmunk. Every shot. We're gonna
Forrest and I did this with the FJ. This is exactly what happened.
Oh.
He would have been like
It's
dead.
because I'm reading.
We were bouncing back and forth. I can't even believe I didn't get charged for that. I was like destroying that car. I mean, I wasn't. It could
That's
take it
what
just
they're
fine.
for.
Yeah, it was crazy. It took it just fine. Man, that's a lot of rocks. Alright. So, Mobius is like somewhere over there.
Is that the arch?
Yeah, and then we can get out of here. It's not a long hike. I think it's probably
Oh, I'd like to see it.